Okay, for some reason my trading view wasn't actually showing me the price moving. 8:30, this is the 8:45 one, which should be complete and we should have another one already. Why is my trading view behind? I do not understand. So, and that you couldn't even see that. So, look, my trading view is behind. Right? 8:45. That should be done with. It should be this one now. And it's not. I don't understand. It should be the 9 a.m. one. This is not good. This is where I do my analysis. Like I can't have that be the case. Okay, so this is gonna be our first trade on the challenge. And I'm late to the party, 9 minutes late, because I would have taken it earlier if it was updated. 30's finish. Oh yeah, look, it's gonna end now for some reason. It's gonna end at 10 past for some reason. What is going on? It's 10 past 9, but now there's 15. There's something wrong, man. Anyway, forget it. We have put in chart trading, haven't we? And I need a quick way of doing position size. I'll go in on the MT4 right away, I guess, but now I've got a reason to doubt this because it's bouncing off of the 2 hour supply zone. I'm gonna close trading view again and bring it back up. How could it be behind like this? I don't get it. I do not understand it. But there's something really stupid that I'm missing. Like, let's just go to London times 2 o'clock. 12 minutes left. How? Yeah, it's wrong. I don't know what it is, but it's wrong. What is 19,250? Pretty much exactly 19,250. That's where we rejected off before, and that's where we are rejecting off now. No, we haven't even gotten up there yet. Why can't I see the wicks? Looks like we're going to retrace a bit and keep going up. Position size quickly. Four. Shit, we're not executing well. Let's say my stop loss is under here. Yeah, 19,015. 19,015 is my stop loss. $19,015 is my stop loss, which is, how do I measure? Oh, don't miss this. Let's say it's 250 points. Yeah. Let's say it's 250 points. $500. One contract thing, buy market.
Order filled.
How do I add a... This is bad. I don't even know how to add a stop loss. Oh my god, this account's gonna get banned. It's taking minutes for me to...
For now. Now let's say you want to set it to a different background color. Let's do that one. Oh, if you want to... And if you want this to go more, you click does not do anything. That does not... Or you double click. Just kidding. That does not do anything.
Okay, figured it out. Which, yeah, it's kind of different, but whatever, it makes sense now. But I do have to create an ATM strategy just to make it easier every time, just to have my risk set, basically. Right away, it'll make it so much easier. It's a really cool functionality. Unlike on MT5. Should I also take it on my personal account? I should take it on my personal account. Gosh darn it. The problem with NinjaTrader is that I can't actually just minimize off it like that, because it's a group. So it has to be at the bottom. Trading view, I can minimize off it like that. And MT5 as well. Okay. So yeah, we're about to get the market open right now. Why is this wrong still, man? This is not good. Yeah, ADM strategy is the way. How do I... Reopening. How? Data feed. Look for a little retracement on this, and I'll buy on that as well. So trading views useless now, basically, is what you're telling me. It's not live on the free version of TradingView. Futures data, including MNQs, requires a paid subscription that comes from exchanges like the CME, which charges fees for real-time data access. If you have a brokerage account with a supported broker, TradeAway, yes I do. You can connect it to TradingView. Some brokers provide real-time data for free at a lower cost. Okay. It's gonna be $10 a month to get it to work. Oh, it's gone back up, and I'm missing it. Let's do MT5 is showing, right? Yeah. Let's do a new order. 2 buy. $19.15, $40, easy peasy. So there's about a $500 risk, which is 0.5%. But I'm not sure I should do that because I can't go any lower. Yeah, I can't really go any lower. 0.5% of the total account size, but a lot. I think it's like 25% or something of my actual risk, my allowed risk. Does it have to be up there? Oh. It's up there. So this wheel does that. The wheel still does that. Okay, let's see. I can still do most of the analysis on TradingView. It's okay. It's crazy. I did not know that. So I'm thinking we could come down further, but this might be the shelf. I think this might be the whole retracement. It's also the first candle of the market, so let's see. Alright, I'll be back when something happens. Oof. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. And something happened. We got stopped up. First candle of the day. I think maybe I should wait for the opening market. I thought we're gonna be kind of bullish today because of the relief on some of the electronic tariffs. We'll still be positive today, but if you look at the bigger picture, opened higher pre-market, why wouldn't it keep going, you know? And it's all the way down here again, the price. So is this a retracement maybe down to this level and then we go back up? I don't know. Yeah, well, that's what happened. I'm gonna buy in again at some point. I should sell. That was the opening range. Let's see what happens. Okay, look, that's actually my strategy, right? The orb breakout strategy. Enter the opposing trade if it's invalidated by a significant amount relative to the opening candle with momentum, and if turnaround happened before a local level was tested. It blasted through it. And now this local level has been tested and it got pushed up. That's getting pushed down. And we had a similar experience here. Went down hard and then slowly climbed back up. At the start of the pre-market. Let's see, yesterday or Friday, 130, down quite a bit, and then started to climb back up. Well, let's see the 930 candle. That was the 930 candle. We broke out of the range to the positive side and then fell off this cliff. And it worked on Thursday. Yeah, it worked on Thursday really well. Alright, I'll tell you when I get back in. Okay, so according to the strategy, with a big momentum move like that completely blew through my my opening range there. We should be going in the opposite direction, right? But I waited for this retracement, and now I am going to follow through with that. Although that wasn't a good first trade. I'm a little bit distraught and yeah, a little scared that we're going to lose this trade as well. But we follow the strategy. Sell by market with my custom ATM strategy. See, this level could be the one that we're bouncing off. Sell by market.
Order filled.
$300 stop. We're gonna have to move that up. All right. It's the first trade of the challenge, man. I've got to. I hope it goes well. We're doing the same thing. We're not. USA. Okay, let's see what we're going for here. Where's the most recent demand zone? That's way down there. That's not going to be a 15-minute demand zone. And this is one, Maserati. This is base. Yeah, this high is a demand zone. Which means from about here, we're looking at 156-ish. Not great, is it? Not great after my loss, so. Alright, moment of truth. We're coming up to this level that rejected hard last time. It's looking like it might reject again, you know. With 12 whole minutes to go. These are the pressures, yeah. This zone here is becoming a pressure. The reason another one of the reasons why I chose to go to the downside is because of this long wick here. And the fact that it didn't go up here, we didn't have to go and test that 2-hour supply zone again. This level, this shelf, this level became the new resistance, right? This level became the new support at the same time, but just with that one, you know, with the same candle, this rose as well, but a lot less than that. And coupled with massive momentum to the downside, altogether, I'm hoping that means we continue down for a little bit. But I am overall bullish. This is now if this was a rally, it's not really a rally. This might be part of the base still moving forward. This is a real rally. This would have been a great demand zone, you know? And this bounce would have made sense. It would have made sense to buy here. But it wasn't. And it still might go up. Oh no. Let's check 5 minutes. What's 5 minutes looking like? Yeah, big wick to the downside, man. Yes. No. Alright. When something happens.
Alright, our second trade is going really well. I really want to add to this position. I'm almost certain we're going to keep going down. We're already through this area here, and there's way too much selling pressure above this to hold on. I think we will go down a little bit more. So what I want to do is 2 contracts sold with a stop loss exactly where this is. Maybe this one I'll move down to here when it becomes clear that this level is holding. I should just do one. I'm rushing. I want to pass this challenge. It's going to be a tighter stop loss, so I can probably do 2. Just because this was all the way up here. It's only 300 points or something. No, it's with $300 risk. I moved it up to $400 or $500 risk. 0.5% risk is not bad. 1,000 is my 1%. Right? Let's do 2. Sell market. 3, 2. Is it even on the screen? It is not. That's what's happening. So I think this is a pullback, and we're about to go further down. I want to do 2 contracts. So even if we go down to here, I can close the trade and make a bit of money. 3, 2, 1.
Order filled.
What is it? What's 3S buy stop? What does that mean? Entry 1, entry 2, right up here. Now we're going to go further down. Yeah, I'll put it. What happened? Why is it only 60 now? I'm confused. It's 60 points from here. Yeah. Oh, okay. That's like an average. No, it's what price is from this level. This is my this is my average position. 3 average price. That's right. Yeah. Average price has now become 18,940. About 3 contracts going. I think 6 is the maximum. Now I am. Yeah. Well, we made the decision. No use second guessing. And I think I'm right. This level seems to be holding. I might have just been early. The Yeah, if I just waited another 4 or 5 minutes, I would have seen this candle close, and it would have been a clear picture of which way I should go. But I could have lost some of this money. But it doesn't look like it in this case. We could have lost a few points here. So even if we go from, I need to figure out how to measure in this. Um, mm, mm, no, how do you measure? The shift hold thing's not working. Alt hold does not work. Control hold does work. Oh, that's good to know. Maybe you're drawn to ruler. Wasn't up there. Control F3. Let's say we just touched there. 129. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, cool. That was it. I got a flip there, not this. Oh, and now it was you. I was trying to be here. to add to this position as well. Double this, I believe in it. Why not? New order, 0.4, 7. This late in the afternoon, we can't see a big reversal, right? Right, that's how it works, doesn't it? It doesn't, but let's see. Cool, alright. When something happens. Alright, we hit my trading stop at that level there. I'm gonna immediately go back in with 3 contracts to capitalize on the momentum. Sell market, boom.
Order filled.
$300 is a lot closer than I thought it was. It's now 3 contracts. 1 point is $6, right? I believe so. Yeah. Now look at this. I I don't understand. What just happened? I don't understand that. It said at least like $100 on there. At that level. This might be a big move up all the way up to here. I don't know, we're going down. I could take this a lot further. Control. Control. What? Not understanding any of this. Okay, let's open. Can you show me the... How do I tell it how many contracts I got? Let's assume that's for one contract. This is for three, so we got 700 times 80, and so we can go up there. This might have been a big mistake. Yeah, it looks like we're about to bounce up much further up. Okay, well that's that. We've committed now. This might have been a terrible mistake, this one. Maybe up to here. Could it go all the way up there? Maybe this is the, yeah, about 80% top. This is the, right onto here. In fact, that's probably a shelf. This, then we will go down. All right, that's that. I'll be